How to use the new question answer feature in Google Meeting. So as an instructor, I can turn on the question answer feature by going into activities and then Q&A and then turn on Q&A. And now there's no questions yet. I can actually ask a question as an instructor if I wish, but here's how a student would do it. So a student will now see a green dot up by activities as well as by question and answer. And now they can ask a question. And then they post it. Now initially that question is seen by the whole class, so another student could also go into that same place and they can see that it's posted. They can even give a thumbs up if they also have the same question. The instructor, they see it, they're able to hide it if they want from everybody except for the person who asks it. The student who asked it can still see it. In fact, they can delete it if they wish because they asked it. But the other students now don't see it. I'm going to actually show it. And then the instructor can talk to this point. They can speak to the class. And once they say that it's answered, they can check that it's answered. And then what a student sees is this green check that it is answered. Similar, other students, if it's visible, can see it as well. The instructor and the person who's asking, the student who is asking, both have the power to delete that question if they want to. More questions will, if there's more questions asked, one student asks this question and another student asks another question, then the oldest ones at first will be on top, but they can be reordered if you want. And that's how the question and answers work within a Google Meeting.